wife, happy life.
Good morning guys, it's 11 a.m. and I'm off work already. I only work 4 hours today kasi I'm going to take the twins to the doctor. So Brayden has been coughing for 3 days now. Then Dawson just started yesterday. Hindi naman sila umiiyak and then they're eating good. Kaya lang it breaks my heart when I hear them coughing at night kasi mas worse siya sa gabi. Lalo na pag nakahiga na sila kasi kagabi nga sumuka si Dawson. Ayan, nandito na ako sa parking lot. Hindi siya malamig pero medyo gloomy kasi supposed to rain today. Kanina umaga umulan. Ngayon, buti ngayon hindi na. Sana hindi umulan pag kuha ko sa kambal para hindi sila mabasa. And here's my car. Yung silang susi ko mawawala. Ganito kalaki yung parking lot namin dito. Doon sa unahan yung mga handicapped people. Dito ako lagi nagpa-park sa malayo. Painitin ko lang saglit yung sasakyan ko and Calvo will meet me there. Yung kanilang appointment is 2:30 so I have time to clean them up kasi tsaka baka may time din akong maligo kapag hindi sila iinarte mamaya. Hindi na yung dalawa sa likod. And ayan, hiningal ako magkarga sa kanila. So yun, sabi ng sitter nila, iyak daw ng iyak. So ayan, uwi na kami and I'm gonna play nursery rhyme on our way home para hindi masyadong mag-iyak sila, para ma-relax. Gustong gusto kasi nila yung nursery rhyme. We're home na guys. Yun, nilagay ko yung dalawa na sa loob. Antok na antok sila. Hindi naman nag-iiyak. Sabi ng sitter, iyak daw ng iyak doon. Siguro kasi alam nila dito sila sa bahay. And I'm just getting older stuff. Ang aking lunch bag and kanilang diaper bag. I don't know if Calvo already took his lunch break or maybe he should be home soon. I'm gonna have to clean them up, get ready. Alis kami ng bahay mga 2 o'clock kasi 2:30 yung kanilang appointment. I'm gonna try to do the dishes and laundry first. I still have a lot of time. It's almost 12 o'clock so I got 2 hours. Here's my baby bears. Brayden was tired. He's been sleeping all the way here. Wow. Kuya Dawson is fussy. She said to eat before 10, so should be eating after an hour. You want this binky? Huh? You want your binky? Hayaan ko muna si Brayden matulog dyan sa kanyang car seat. Baka makatulog din to. Daddy's home for lunch.
Yep.
Kalbo. Kinain niya cheese and ham lang. And ganun sila dito sa US. Very light lang yung kanilang kinakain sa lunch. And natuto na rin ako. Hindi na rin ako makain ng kanin sa lunch. What is it? You already drank one earlier.
I'm thirsty. You didn't put any pop in the refrigerator.
No, water. There's water.
Well, you didn't put water in there
There
either.
is water.
It's not
in
cold.
there. Palusot si Kalbo. So, the twins are still sleeping. I'm just gonna finish cleaning the sink and doing laundry. Then, I'm gonna try to take a shower. Nasa kanilang car seat pa sila. Ilalagay ko sila sa loob ng bathroom. Stop.
Onions.
Onions.
I think you smell it.
Bye, baby. Huh?
I can't remember.
What package? Did you order something?
An edger.
Did you really?
I need it.
It's going to be heavy, so I'm not gonna put it inside.
No, it shouldn't be bad. But yeah,
Alright.
probably leave it out here. I don't know
Okay.
what mine's gonna
Be careful.
I will.
Bye, love you.
Bye, love you too.
Ayan guys, nakatapos na ako mag-shower. Tulog na tulog pa rin si Brayden. Magmamadali ako magbihis kasi padidiin ko na sila. Si Dawson nanonood lang siya sa akin habang ako naliligo. Good job, kuya. Thank you for letting mommy take a bath. Take a shower. Now we're going to the room so mommy can put dress on. Tapos ko na silang linisan. Look, baby, oh. Don't get too close to each other. Magsasapakan kayo. Look. Tuwan-tuwa na naman dito sa mobile. You guys just stay there. I'm going to make milk, okay? Ayan. They should not be hungry. Kakain lang nila kaso magbabaon lang ako ng 2 bote. Hi, baby. Hi. Go put your binky kasi ikaw ang iyak ng iyak kanina pa. I'm gonna have to separate you guys kasi we're going to look at that. Ayan, ganyan yung ubo ni Baby B. Yung kay Dawson hindi pa masyadong ganyan pero starting to bother him. I hope their doctor can do something about it. Sobrang puti ni Brayden. Baby. They're ready na. Inaantok pala si Kuya Dawson. That's why he's fuzzy. And yan si Brayden. Hindi sila magka-match because Brayden threw up. So, I have to change him. Wala na akong time para magpalit ng damit ni Dawson. Diyos ko po. Ako'y aligagana kasi it's already 2 o'clock. Now I'm going to load up their diaper bag and I'm going to hit up the car tapos isa-isa ko silang ilalagay sa sasakyan. You gotta wait for me there, okay, baby Brayden? I have to put this in the car. Ayan, naligagaan na yung nanay. Yung aming pa lang. Naka-on pala yung aming security alarm. Bago matapos aligag. Lusyang na. Anyway, it's not that cold today. Kaya nakaganito lang ako, naka-jacket lang na manipis. Namadali na ako kasi 2:00 na. 2:30 pa naman yung kanilang appointment. Kaya lang baka maharang kami ng train. So, kunin ko muna yung 2. I-start ko pala muna yung sasakyan kasi medyo malamig para sa mga bata. So yun guys, finally natapos din. Nandito na kami sa sasakyan and we're going to the hospital now. Cowboy is supposed to meet me there. Ang hirap pala pag mag-isa lang. I thought I got a lot of time but you can never get enough time if you have twins. Kasi ay inarte si Dawson kanina, yung pala inaantok, akala ko masama ang pakiramdam. Anyway, magdadrive na ako and Brayden, I think Brayden is awake, Dawson is sleeping. We're here na guys sa labas ng hospital. I'm waiting for Calvo to come out kasi hindi ko kayang bitbitin tong 2 ng sabay. Hindi ko naman pwedeng iwanan yung isa dito at medyo malayo-layo yung lalakarin. So, I'm going to call him. He should be ready right now kasi it's already 2:10. Ayan, may kalbong paparating. Ayan na si Daddy. Daddy's here, baby. Nahihilo ako. I just realized I haven't eat lunch kasi nag-out pala ako ng 11. Hindi ako nag-lunch break. Kaya nagugutom ako. Sobrang busy. Hindi ko na naalala. I get so dizzy. I realize I haven't eat lunch.
Really?
Yeah, because
Let me get you a candy bar?
yeah
I can get one in there.
Okay.
Alright.
Because I'm starting to get hungry. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Ang 2. They're not matching clothes because Brayden threw up when I was changing him.
Really?
Yeah. It's like yellowish. Maybe it's like a flame.
It might have been, yeah.
Kasi parang yellow yung sinuka niya. Siguro yung flema, ha?
Make sure you tell her that.
Okay. Cute ng dalawa. Hi, babies. Hi. Steven is sleeping. Now he's awake. The other one is sleeping. So yun
wonder why your
guys,
chicken
we're
is-
just waiting for their doctor. You guys remember this last time? You got a shot?
No shots this time, buddies.
Si Daddy.
Yeah, reset. I'm gonna turn my phone down.
Hi babies. Hi. Look, Virgin keep looking around, moving his head.
Yeah, keep looking this way. Keep looking this way, baby. Look at you, you're a big boy. Make muscle. Look at that. Make some muscles.
They're both 14 pounds. I think he's bigger.
14.7. He's 14.05.
He is bigger.
A lot bigger.
Yeah.
A lot bigger. And
Oh
he's
my
23
God.
inches. He's 22 inches.
Oh my god.
You outgrew your brother.
Yeah.
See, I knew that doesn't mean nothing. Look at your dirty little thumbnail.
I know. I need to cut their nails.
Trying to find your mouth. Come on, baby. You were trying to talk, I think. Talk to daddy. Now you just see mommy. I wonder what she's doing.
He wants to come.
Mommy's
with me.
always filming something. Huh.
You wanna come on? You wanna come to mommy? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Wanna come to mommy? Hi. Hi, baby. Go. Get your brother right there. Oh.
Let's get your brother. Let me hold him for a minute, okay? Oh, giddy up, giddy up. Choo, ooh, ooh. Toot, toot, toot. Come on, boy. Hey, boy. Hey. Hello. Ooh, don't get my finger in your mouth. All right, come here.
Talk to him.
Hey, baby. Hey, boy. What you doing? Hey, over here. Hello. You looking at this place? You're thinking, she gets the needles out of that door. No, you're not gonna get a shot today. That's the next visit. But I wish I can give you a shot to clean you up. Clean your nose up and your cough. I'd say go ahead and do it. Huh. What are you looking at, boy? You wanna look this way? And now you're looking that way. You gotta turn your head. Just move your head. There you go.
Good job.
There you go, baby.
Looking at your brother.
There's mommy.
Hi, baby.
See mommy?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Don't look. Why you look so grubby? You mad cause your brother outweighs you and he outgrew you?
I know. I can see your oxygen. We'll put it right here by your face. Don't get mad at me. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Too busy. You got yourself going. Bless you.
Guys, we're going home na. Twins are awake. They should be hungry right now, but just wait until we get home. So we'll feed them. Calvo din hungry. I'm so hungry. You didn't give me candy. You
I
said
forgot.
you gave me candy.
I'm rushing around trying to clock out. and
Wait na ka. Ang dumi ng uniform mo, honey. Is tapos na. I'm going to get the car and pull up doon sa harapan para hindi sila masyadong malamigan kasi ang lamig na ng hangin. I'm gonna tell you guys later what the doctor said, but so far okay naman yung kanilang check-up. I'm going to pick them up there. Since guys, we're home na and ito yung paper. They both have bronchiolitis. Han?
Yes.
Yeah. So yun yung tawag sa kanilang diagnosis. And she said there's nothing really we can do. And I'm going to have Calvo buy us a baby rub, Vicks baby rub. That's for babies. And is still using vaporizer to help them breathe, but they're both breathing good, she said, and they're both hydrated. So she said they're doing really good with that one. And she said that actually the bronchiolitis, you get it during the winter. Yeah. So they're kind of late because it's starting to get warmer. Pero she said it will go away after a week, right?
Yeah.
So now Brayden is in the
worst part.
Yeah, worst part of it kasi sabi niya 3 days okay pa, pag nandun na sa 4 to 5 days yun na yung pinaka worst part. So kaya medyo iyakin siya ngayon, and then bahabol naman si Dawson, at least hindi sila sabay. So next week Monday siguro okay na si Brayden, and then si Dawson naman. So, yun lang guys. They're both 14 pounds. Yeah, Dawson is bigger now, and he is also taller now. 1 inch taller. Ang lakas kasing kumain. So, yun lang for today guys. I'm starting to cook chicken nuggets. Yun ang aking snack habang Calvo is going to the game to watch Ashley's game, and we will have dinner when he got back home. You wanna say bye to everybody, hon? We're gonna try to do a live chat this weekend since you guys cannot comment in our blog anymore, so we want to talk to everyone. So maybe Sunday morning here in America. Say bye, hon. Say bye, Dawson and Daddy.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for following us. Please keep it up.